Dear friends, have a good day. Here in this video, today we are going to look at bounded subsets. What is bounded subsets of R? Before going to talk about bounded subsets, you must know upper bound and lower bound of a set. What is upper bound of a set? Consider a set A is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to R and A contained in R if there exists an element U belongs to R such that x less than or equal to U for all x belongs to A, then U is called an upper bound for the set A. Here we have considered the set A becomes the set of all x such that x belongs to R. And then if it is possible to find any real number greater than that of the set of all elements in A, then that real number is called the upper bound of the set A. Have a look at this example. If A is equal to the set 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, etc., then the set of all elements 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. are all greater than or equal to the set of all elements of A. So we can say that 5, 6, 7, etc. are all upper bound of the set A. So from which you can easily say that a set may have one or more upper bounds. Now let's see the lower bound of the set. What is lower bound of a set? Consider set A is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to R and A contained in R if there exists an element L belongs to R such that x greater than or equal to L for all x belongs to A, then this L is called the lower bound for the set A. Here we have considered the set A is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to R and A is a subset of R. Then if it is possible to find any real number less than that of the set of all elements in A, then that real number is called the lower bound for the set A. Now let's take a look at an example. If A is equal to the set 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., then the set of all elements 2, 1, 0, minus 1, etc. are all less than or equal to the set of all elements of A. So we can say that 2, 0, 1, minus 1 are all the lower bounds of the set A. From this we can easily see that a set may have one or more lower bounds. Now we are going to look at what is bounded below and what is bounded above. What is bounded above? A set is said to be bounded above if it has one or more upper bounds. For example, consider the set A is equal to 3, 2, 1, etc. Then the set A has the upper bounds 3, 4, 5, etc. Therefore, here the set A is said to be bounded above because it has many upper bounds 3, 4, 5, etc. What is bounded below? A set is said to be bounded below if it has one or more lower bounds. For example, consider the set A is equal to the set 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Then the set A has the lower bound 5, 4, 3, etc. Therefore, here the set A is said to be bounded below because the set A has the lower bounds 5, 4, 3, etc. Now, what is a bounded set? A set which is both bounded above and bounded below are called bounded set. For example, consider the set A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 7. Here note that the set A has the lower bounds 2, 1, 0, minus 1, etc. and the upper bound 7, 8, 9, etc. Therefore, the set A is both bounded above and bounded below. That is why this set A is called a bounded subset. Hence, it is bounded. Is there any unbounded set? Yes, a set which is not bounded above or bounded below is called unbounded set. A set which is not bounded is called an unbounded set. In other words, a set which is not bounded below or bounded above is called an unbounded set. For example, if A is equal to 2, 4, 6, etc., then A has only lower bounds but not upper bound. So this set A is not a bounded set. This is an unbounded set. Here A is only bounded below but not bounded above. Hence A is unbounded. Consider another example. If B is equal to 3, 2, 1, etc., then B has only upper bounds but not lower bounds. So here B is only bounded above but not bounded below. Hence B is unbounded. Thank you.